Welcome back, dear students. Today we will read about diarrhea and digestion in grass eating animals. So let us study about diarrhea. Diarrhea is also known as loose motion. It is also known as loose motion. And diarrhea is caused by indigestion, or food poisoning, or due to infection, So these are the main reasons for the diarrhea. Either the food is not properly digested, or we are having food poisoning, and maybe due to a infection. When a person passes loose stools frequently again and again, so that is called diarrhea. Or loose motion. So when a person passes loose stools, along with the loose stools, a large amount of water and some salts are also removed with the loose stools. So loose stools or diarrhea can be very dangerous. In fact, the diarrhea is the major cause of death of small children. It is the major cause of death of small children. So due to the diarrhea, a large amount of water is lost from the body, and this is called dehydration. Dehydration means loss of water from the body. So it can be very dangerous. It can make a person seriously ill. To prevent dehydration, the person suffering from diarrhea should be given a solution of salt and sugar in the boiled and cooled water. So if a person is suffering from diarrhea, so we should give him a solution of sugar and salt in boiled and cooled water, and this is called oral rehydration solution. It is called oral rehydration solution. In short, it is also known as ORS. In short, we call it ORS. And we should immediately consult a doctor. We should never neglect diarrhea. We should never neglect it because it can be very dangerous, and in case of children, it can even lead to death. Now we will read about digestion in grass eating animals. Have you seen cow, buffalo and other grass eating animals continuously chewing even when they are not eating food? So do you know why they do so? This we will study in this topic. The grass eating animals are having special type of stomach. They are having special type of stomach. Special type of stomach. And they are having 4 compartments or 4 chambers in their stomach. They are having 4 compartments. Their stomach are having 4 compartments. And out of these 4 compartments, rumen is the first compartment. R-U-M-E-N. Rumen is the first compartment and it is the biggest one. It is the biggest one. Rumen is first and biggest compartment. So when the grass eating animals eat the grass, they swallow it quickly. They swallow it quickly with a little chewing, and stores it in the rumen. By little chewing, they swallow their food by little chewing and stores their food in the rumen. The grass or the food that reaches the rumen, is partially digested there. It is partially digested. It is partially digested in the rumen. Partially digested. And this partially digested food is called curd. It is called curd. It is called curd. And when these animals are not eating anything, they are not eating anything, the curd comes back to the mouth. It comes back to the mouth in small quantities, and these animals chew it again properly. They chew it again properly. They chew it again properly. And the process of bringing back curd to the mouth and chewing it again is called rumination. It is called rumination. Rumination. And the curd chewing animals and the animals which chew curd, they are called ruminants. They are called ruminants. So basically जो भी grass eating animals होते हैं वो अपने फूड को क्विकली स्वेलो कर लेते हैं, थोड़ा सा च्यू करके, और उनका फूड कहां पर स्टोर होता है? उनके स्टमक के फर्स्ट कंपार्टमेंट में. उनके स्टमक में कितने कंपार्टमेंट होते हैं? 4. सो सबसे पहला वाला कंपार्टमेंट कौन सा होता है? rumen. एंड र्यूमेन उनके स्टमक का सबसे बड़ा कंपार्टमेंट होता है, सबसे बड़ा कंपार्टमेंट होता है। तो जब ये एनिमल्स लाइक काव, बफेलो जब कुछ नहीं खा रहे होते हैं तो उनका फूड उनके र्यूमेन से उनके माउथ में छोटी छोटी क्वांटिटीज में आ जाता है एंड वो क्या करते हैं, उसको दोबारा से च्यू करते हैं। तो इस प्रोसेस को क्या बोलते हैं, र्यूमिनेशन। र्यूमिनेशन मतलब वो प्रोसेस जिससे कि कट च्यूइंग एनिमल्स अपने फूड को अपने माउथ में लेके आते हैं और उसको च्यू करते हैं। और इन एनिमल्स को क्या बोलते हैं, ruminants. When this curd is chewed properly, it is swallowed again, but now it does not goes back into the rumen. It goes into the other compartments of the stomach, and from those compartments it goes into the small intestine. And the ruminants have a large sac-like structure between small intestine and large intestine. They have a sac-like structure between small intestine and large intestine. And in this sac-like structure, certain bacteria are present which can digest cellulose. And this certain bacteria are present. Certain bacteria are present which can digest cellulose. Now we humans cannot survive on green leafy vegetables only because they mainly contains cellulose. Carbohydrate, and we are not having these bacteria. In our body, so we are not able to digest this cellulose. And the ruminants are having short time for grazing. That's why they swallow their food quickly by a little chewing. So their stomach is designed in another way, so when they are free they can bring that food back to their mouth. जब ruminants कर्ड को प्रॉपरली च्यू कर लेते हैं उसके बाद वो कर्ड को दोबारा स्वेलो करते हैं, पर अब कर्ड र्यूमेन में नहीं जाता है, अब वो स्टमक के दूसरे कंपार्टमेंट्स में जाता है जहां से वो स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में चला जाता है। और जितने भी र्यूमिनेंट्स होते हैं उनके स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन और लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन के बीच में एक लार्ज सैक लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होता है। इस स्ट्रक्चर में कुछ बैक्टीरियाज होते हैं जो कि सेलुलोज को डाइजेस्ट कर देते हैं। सेलुलोज क्या है, एक स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट है जिसको कि हम ह्यूमंस डाइजेस्ट नहीं कर पाते हैं, इसलिए हम ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल्स पर सरवाइव नहीं कर सकते। अगर हम सिर्फ ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल्स खाएंगे तो हम सरवाइव नहीं कर पाएंगे। So that's all for today. Now next topic we will read in our next class.